Hey everyone, I love the look of clear cases. Clear cases are usually my default, or what I call my daily driver cases that I pretty much use most of the time. But if you're like me, every now and then you have different cases. Like my current favorite case is this Samsung, the official Samsung or OEM Samsung rugged case. This one right here, because this case, if you guys didn't see my previous review, has such good gripping. It feels so good in the hand, and it's got the kickstand. And that's the one thing I miss when I go to these clear cases. Even this one right here, my current day-to-day case right now that I'm using, this Caseology Skyfall bumper case, it also has very good gripping, especially here on the bumper on the side. The blue part right here has very good gripping, almost just as good as the Samsung one right here, only the Samsung has good gripping all around, even through the back. But the Samsung has this kickstand right here, and the kickstand comes in so handy and so convenient when you're like watching videos on your smartphone, your Note 9, and this one, it doesn't have it, so I have to prop it up against something, or every now and then I'll unplug my wireless charger and use this as a stand, or I'll use my small mini tripod right here. So most clear cases, with the exception of this company right here, Spigen, they are the only ones that I know of ever since my Note 4 that they make transparent cases that have kickstands right here. And this is also one of my favorite cases for clear cases because of the kickstand. Now you could go online like I did on Amazon and order one of these like ring kickstands or whatever, but the kickstand function on these don't really work that well, as you can see. And it would work better if you have them this way, but the beauty of these ring type of kickstands is that you can put your fingers right through there if they can fit, and then it makes it hard for your case to fall off, or so you don't lose a grip. So what is someone like me or you who love the look of our clear cases because they show off the original look of our Note 9s, or even like what I have here with this skin, to do when we want a kickstand, other than, like I said, trying to use something thick like this thing, which doesn't really work as well as a kickstand. Well, here it is. This is the Spigen Universal Metal Kickstand mount. You can get this on Amazon with Prime delivery, and depending on the day, you can get it for same day delivery, 1-day delivery, or free 2-day delivery. It comes in 3 colors. It comes in black, metal, and rose gold. I wish it would have came in other colors like blue, red, gold, but it only has the 3 colors. And so this kickstand right here will kind of give it like this look right here. This is the metal color, this right here. And actually this is, part of the Spigen Ultra Hybrid S. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid comes in 2 versions. This is the S version that comes with the kickstand, and then the regular Ultra Hybrid. And so now we can have a kickstand like we do on this Spigen right here. kickstand. You can pause that and read it for yourself. It just comes in this little bag right here. And when Amazon delivered this to me, it came in a big envelope, like bubble wrap envelope. And I don't know why they did that. And then here's the back. And here you can see it says black. OEM, lot numbers, made in Korea. So you can pause that, read it for yourself. And let's open it up. Zoom out. So we're just gonna go like this, I guess. Yeah, just tear it open, right? Let's just tear this open. There we go. I don't think we need instructions. It doesn't come with any instructions. It has a tape right here to protect this metal from getting scratched up, and you can see already this is way thinner than something like this. And this one is actually the tape that it came with made it even stick out even more and made it even thicker. Only I removed the tape that was on this ring kickstand and just super glued it onto this rinky case. So here it already comes with the double-sided tape right here, and then you get an extra one right here just in case you mess up. And the double-sided tape here, adhesive, is real, almost paper thin, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is wipe the back of this case, make sure there's no oils or, you know, dirt and everything like that, so that I can get a good adhesion, or yeah, so this will stick on really nicely to the case. And then on Amazon it said that you want to at least give it 2 hours before you start using the kickstand. So that's what I'm going to do, and then we'll get back, you know, and review the full thing, or the, you know, see how the kickstand works later on. So for now, we're just going to remove this and install it. So first off, I probably want to see how I want it installed as a kickstand. So usually I prefer the kickstand part where the volume buttons right here are easily accessible for me, instead of the power button here, and it's like this. So I want it to be this way, so that the power or the volume buttons are easily accessible, so I can, you know, still use the volume buttons, raise the lower the volume when it's on the kickstand mode, instead of most kickstand cases. When you have the kickstand propped open like this, it's usually where the power button is, so you don't have no access to the volume buttons, most of them. I'm not saying all, but most. So the Spigen Ultra Hybrid S, it looks like it has this little thing right here that could be a sticker, but it is, I don't know if it is. And even a Spigen out of the box by default, like you can pop this out. Out of the box, it was this way when I had it, when I first got it. So the kickstand, see, was right there when it's propped, and there's the power button right here, right? So what I did was I popped it out and switched it. Okay, so that the kickstand now would be here, where the volume buttons are. Right here, the volume buttons. Okay, and so that's what I'm going to have to do with this thing. So if this is anything like if this universal kickstand or metal kickstand mount is anything like this Spigen one, I'm going to Okay, first let's remove the tape right there, and I'm gonna make sure. So here it is right here. It goes this way. So that now I'll know, here's my volume buttons right here. I'm gonna install it this way. So I'm gonna wipe this up and then just put it onto my case. So we got this microfiber cloth right here. Wipe up the bottom of this case. And then install the kickstand. Make sure there's the volume buttons right here on this side. And I don't know if I want to do this on camera, because I want to make sure I have this lined up real good. So I'm gonna remove this backing and then install it. So I'll be right back, because I want to make sure I can line it up, you know, line it up real nice where it's lined up evenly on the case, because if it ain't, it's gonna bug the hell out of me. So I'll be right back. So here it is, fully installed. And so what I did was I used this Spigen Ultra Hybrid as a guide to where I wanted it to be at, to try to like match it as far as like how far up it is. So I think it's okay right there. And as far as thickness, now it's going to be a little bit thicker, just because the Spigen is like, has, you know, it pops in from inside of the case, whereas this one, it's just outside of the case. So the Spigen one is going to be more flush. This one is going to kind of add a little bit of extra thickness and stick out a little bit, as you can see right there. But not so much as this thing right here. Let's see if we can get it to where we can really look at it. Or here, put them like this. Come on, camera, focus. As you can see, now let's see if it works. So just pop it out like so, and it should be propped up. There you go. It's propped, as you can see. I wonder, let's match it with the Spigen. So the Spigen one right here. So there they are right there. Yeah, they're almost the same. Okay. I bet you guys are all curious, right? Metal kickstand, is it going to keep it from being wireless charging compatible? When I had this, it was wireless charging compatible, so maybe this one is not really metal, but this one is, and this one is, and it did work only because it's so far down right here. So let's try it out. So blue, LED means it's ready to charge, and then when it turns green, it means it's charging. So here we go. It works. How about that? Huh? And for sure, if you think because this metal kickstand is in the way, maybe just put it in this way, and then you'll know it's really going to charge. See? It's green for charging. That's because this Seneo, if you guys didn't see my review, has like 3 or 2 coils so that it'll get more surface area to charge your phone. And so we can also probably charge it in landscape, as you can see right here. So it also charges in landscape. Make sure it turns blue and then green. There you go. It's good to go. It's charging. So yeah, this is wireless. It is wireless charging compatible. So there you go. So that is our look at this Spigen metal universal kickstand. And like I said, you can get it on Amazon. Depending on the day you buy it, with Prime, free same day, 1 day, or 2 day delivery, just depending on the day that you get it. And it comes in three flavors. It comes in 3 colors. It comes in this color right here, which is called black, although it looks more gunmetal gray color. It has a metal color, which is like silver, and then it comes in rose gold. 3 different colors that you can get, and you can get this for $9.99 with free Prime delivery. So that is our look at this Spigen universal metal kickstand. If you want a case that, or if you have a case that you like, that's your favorite case, and it doesn't have a kickstand and you want one, now you can put one on here. It'll work for most cases, I believe, except for leather cases. So that is it, everybody. If this helped you out, please subscribe to my channel and help me out. And stay tuned for more videos. Take care and have a great day.